Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 3, chapter complex number, exercise 1. We are at question number 32. We are at question number 32. Let's look at the question. Question is that mod z1 is less than 1 and one more expression involving z1, z2 is given to us, and we have to basically show that z2 is also less than 1. All right. This type of question, I will just discuss the approach for this type of question. First of all, we know that mod can break into numerator and denominator. So z1 minus z2 mod is 1 minus z1 bar and z2 is less than 1. Okay, less than 1. So this is also a positive number, so we can cross multiply. So this will be z1 minus z2 mod is less than 1 minus z1 into z2 mod. Now, whenever we have reached a position where we have mod both sides, then the easiest way or the simplest way to take care of the mod is square both sides. When we square a complex number ka mod, what do? We multiply with its conjugate. So that's what has been shown here. I think I missed here. That's what has been shown here. So you just multiply with its conjugate and then you just go ahead. So this question after that is only about the algebra. So when you multiply with its, so the only thing that had to be understood here was if there is an inequality, it is positive, take it to that side. And then we can, because both are positive, so we can always square both sides. Once you square both sides, that means you have to multiply with its conjugate. And then when you multiply with the conjugate, then go ahead and take z2 on the other side. And after that, it's pretty much direct question. So I will leave it to you to go through the solution. I think you can do it yourself. The only thing key was here that when you square both sides and then you multiply with its conjugate. That's about it in this question. Yeah. Thank you.